It's time, baby. Let's look at some products. This is my, what month is it? It's October. I'm really tired, obviously. I'm still wearing my work shirt too. Yikes, I'm a mess. I am unboxing my October Sephora Play Box. Very exciting stuff. I don't think that has anything bad on it. This is a $10 a month subscription box from Sephora. It is obviously all products that are carried at Sephora, all well-known brands. It's good stuff. Let's see what I got. Okay, the first thing I see is, ooh, a hair mask. This is from DP Hue. It is an apple cider vinegar hair mask. Intelligently repairs and conditions. Cool. I will definitely use that probably this week. And then this is from Youth to the People. It is a kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. Why do products have such long names? Why can't you just be like, this is a cleanser? It has ingredients. Because marketing, I guess. It doesn't smell like kale, so that's good. It's cute. It's kind of greenish. Good stuff. And then I have, ooh, from Shiseido. I think this says Waso. I'll show you in the B-roll. Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. I love Shiseido, so this is very exciting for me. It smells great. Love that texture. I'm really excited about that. That feels awesome. Cool. They always have some sort of moisturizer. Like, I'm drowning in trial size moisturizers over here, but I love Shiseido, so I'm okay with it. Oh, okay. This is from Origins. Well, actually, it's Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins. Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Shake well, pat on clean skin with cotton pad or fingertips morning and night. So I suppose I use this like a serum, or is it a moisturizer? Oh, it's open. That's not good. Ooh, that's not good. Okay. It smells very herbally, kind of like eucalyptus-y. It's not bad. It's just not great. Yeah, okay. So I think it's more like a serum. It's super liquidy. I mean, that's a pretty good size for a serum. Or like, maybe it's like an essence? I don't know. Oh, this scent really goes away, so that's great. And then this is a primer. I already have one of these. This is the Tarte Quench Primer. I mean, it's fine. I do like hydrating primers, but I already have one of these and I haven't used it up, so I don't know. And then lastly is a little mini Urban Decay all-nighter. That's super exciting. That's, yeah, perfect. As a matter of fact, now I have to, boom. I love this. Y'all know this is my favorite setting spray of all time, so that's very exciting. No perfume sample this month. Yeah, so that's great. And then, instead of giving the points for VIB, they're doing a 20% off coupon. I can give this to y'all, I think. This is 20% off from October 15th to November 30th, so today. Any foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB, or CC cream purchase, use the code FOUNDPLAY online or present this card in store. I like that better than points, because I have a lot of points at this point. This is a good box. I keep wanting to say this year. It's a monthly box. This month was a good box. I'm excited to try all of these products, actually. I like that I'm getting some stuff that I know and love and use on a routine basis, and a lot of new stuff, and it's not just moisturizers, which is dope. And then the primer is all right. It's fine. If nothing else, Christmas is coming up, I can save these and do a stocking stuffer, because my mom suggested that. And that's a great idea. So if you would like to get a Sephora Play Box, you should. I recommend it. Most of the boxes are pretty good. Very, very seldom do I have a box and I don't think it's great. Yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow in another YouTober video. I'm sorry I missed yesterday. It was a busy weekend and a busy day. I'm sorry. But I'm here today. So it's just you and me. And everybody else on the internet. Okay, thanks. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on social media. It is at Emily Funbun. It's also linked down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.